So I'm here with Albert from Reliable Carts. We're in Riviera Beach, Florida. Albert, tell me a little bit about yourself, and then let's jump into this cart.
Yep, how you doing? So my name is Albert, like you said. It's a Reliable Golf Carts in Riviera Beach, Florida. We're a small family business. And this right here is a new 2025 Navitas aluminum chassis, four-wheel disc brakes. This one is not a standard cart. This one is lifted, has the upgraded shocks, the upgraded suspension, of course, the NVS symbol in the front. It's a Storm body kit, the pearl white. Has the white top, color lights inside the roof and under. Has the 14-inch chrome wheels. We have the pearl white seats with the inlays, diamond stitch with the pearl white. Marine vinyl. It's nice and waterproof. We have the upgraded music and sound system from DS18, 6.5s with the color changing lights, the RGBs. So you pick the color.
Does that all tie in to the stuff at the top and the speakers connected?
Yep. So the lights are from Sound Extreme. So they're all incorporated in the app.
An underglow too, I see.
Yes, the underglow. And you can change the top from the bottom or the speaker color to any color you want. And any different. Yes, sir.
And then this has the full Navitas dash and everything?
Yes, the 10.1 screen with the navigation. Has the GPS. It's all built in. If you have any fault codes, you can send it to the cloud and be able to see what's going on if you're having any issues. But these, let me tell you, the aluminum chassis, they really did their thing. The chassis, they run great, high speeds. I mean, this one's rated for about 40 miles an hour for the neighborhood. But you can, like we said before, you can turn it down. You can lock it out and you can turn it down to have your speed you set it to. Right now we have the upgraded lithium battery going on from Eco. Of course, it's going to be street legal, have the custom music installed with the amps. We're just about done, about 80% done on this build. Still waiting on a few things. So when you flip the seat in the back, you have the cooler where you can store your drinks.
Storage area, yeah.
Or storage area. The grab handle, cup holders. It's going to have your tag light, everything for street legal.
And that's a Genesis 250?
Yes, sir. Genesis 250 seat kit.
Nice. Like I was saying before, that white top, I haven't seen one of those in a while. It looks really nice.
Yes, the white top really pops with the whole cart being all white. Storage compartments for the dash. Little storage spot for your remote. Leave it up there.
What do you guys like most about these Navitas chassis and the builds you're able to do with this kind of stuff?
Just overall, the way it's made. I mean, they handle great. The chassis, the running system is what it is. If it ain't green, it ain't mean. I mean, the running system for Navitas is great. What they did with the chassis, the way they run and the handling of the chassis is great. Whether you're doing high speed or you're just cruising, the drivability is there. And it just drives great from any other car we have dealt with.
Have you noticed a difference in the lifted versus the standard, just as far as rideability, or is it just the same?
So a lot of people say being lifted, it rides differently. I can tell you on this cart, it rides like a Cadillac. It rides like a dream. One-handed, how you're driving it, the suspension is dialed in on these.
Nice.
So yeah, so another positive part about the Navitas, customers come in, they can come and pick how they want it. You necessarily don't want to go white, you want to go green, you want to go red. Pick your color, pick your interior. That's why the Navitas rolling chassis, the platform on it, you can build it to your liking. You don't have to have a turnkey and have a same cart like everybody else. You can build it to the way you like. The drivability, like we said before, the customization, it's all there. Pick how you want. This is like you're in a toy store building the way you want your dream cart to be.
Right, that's awesome. And again, just something like this where you've got the all white. If you happen to like a sports team, you can do everything.
You can match
to your own team, yeah, all that kind of stuff. A lot of flexibility. Very cool. Well done. That's a great looking build. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you.